Brit Babes, today's video is in collaboration with BS Mall from Amazon. They were kind enough to send me over this travel makeup brush set, and I will be unboxing that with you today, as well as putting these brushes to use. Each kit comes with a compact travel case featuring an integrated LED mirror. This makes it convenient for storage, traveling, and on-the-go touch-ups. It also includes 14 mini makeup brushes featuring a flat foundation brush as well as a large powder brush. The brushes feature high-quality synthetic bristles and a wooden handle for a comfortable grip, resulting in a perfect makeup application. BS Mall prides itself on the premium quality and eco-friendliness of its products. This is a must-have makeup brush set that helps you elevate your makeup application process, and it's ideal for travel and gives you that experience, convenience, and style like never before. So now that we got the specs out of the way, let's go ahead and put these makeup brushes to use to see if it will give me the perfect makeup application.
See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, don't fuck my wealth.
But it's been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want.
So the first brush that I'm putting to use is the flat foundation brush, and this is very easy to use. It glides on the face really nicely, moving that product around pretty good, and this is with light strokes, and as y'all can see, it's definitely getting the job done.
Shut down my mom, got the Louis off the shelf. Now my picture did it to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no baby. In the meantime,
I guess I'm doing what I want.
get some me time. I don't know.
You doing what you want. But it's been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
Once I finished one side of my face, I just wanted to see if I had that full coverage that I needed, and as you can see, I do have hyperpigmentation. The brush is definitely moving that makeup around and giving me that full coverage that I like.
To the party on my black ass shit. See you on my body, now we off that liquor. I know you want more than just my conversation. Wanna get in something else besides my head. Low key, I can see your potential. I just want to see how you handle. Just might bend the rules if you with it. I key, you can get it, so get on.
So the second brush I'm using is one of the small mini brushes to move around my concealer and pack that on really good underneath the eye. And as you can see, it's doing a pretty good job. Y'all, I am really falling in love with this little travel kit. Definitely want to use this when I go on vacation, going out of town, going on trips, because this will definitely make it easier for me to do my makeup and not have to pack in all of those regular size brushes, due to these working just fine.
I just want to see how you handle. Just might bend the rules if you with it. I keep you.
Okay, so this is now brush number 3. I'm using a contour brush, and as y'all can see, it's packing on that product really good. You guys can see it, and it's definitely doing its job. I don't want to ramble too much throughout the video. I just wanted to give you guys some details on how I feel about these brushes, and I love them so far. You guys let me know what you think, and I will let y'all watch the rest of the video.
Sorry if I make it too hard. You see, you handle the rules, you with it. I can get it, so hope you don't want to get it all. Then you gotta work it, then you get it all. What you want to see your potential. I just wanna see how you handle. Just might bend the rules if you with it. I get you can get it so. Get on color, get on color. You feel like the soul. Then you for the ball. Can you give me love? What you want? I'm feeling myself. You ain't gonna feel the coming up.
He want the scoop, she want the tea. She want the tea. I cannot speak. We keep it in street. We keep it in street. I took a loss, but you still gon' get beat. You still gon' get beat. How much it costs? It never been cheap. It never been cheap. Turn your click up, dog. Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up, turn these streets can't cross it. Cross them up, all these streets need bosses. Cross them up, turn your click up, dog. Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up, turn these streets can't cross it. Cross them up, all these streets need bosses. When my dog get low on his pockets, I'm picking them up. We came from the bottom together, my nigga, we get it, we spinning it up. If my bitch tell me pay for that pussy, I take her ass shopping and tell her shut up. Standing on business, standing on bitches ain't nothing to put that shit up. It ain't nothing to turn a bitch up. It ain't nothing to turn your click up. Ain't nothing, shit. We turn the jeweler up, just look at the diamonds we bust. Look at the people we touch. Shit, I'm feeling like Puffy and Rush. I'm singing this shit like a total little nigga so nasty I never been flushed. Bulletproof ravens and came with a kid on it. This shit you like, you kick it, you spin on it. Hundreds of bands, I put a little shit on it. Dope in my hand, I had to go flip on it. He want the scoop, she want the tea. She want the tea. I cannot speak, we keep it in street. We keep it in street. I took a loss, but you still gon' get beat. You still gon' get beat. How much it costs? It never been cheap. Turn your click up, dog. Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up, turn these streets can't cross it. Cross them up, all these streets need bosses. Cross them up, turn your click up, dog. Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up, turn these streets can't cross it. Cross them up, all these streets need bosses. Cross them up.
All right, you guys, so here is the final look, and baby, I feel like my face is sitting. Like, y'all can't tell me nothing. It's eating the girls down. It's giving everything that it needs to give. Makeup brushes, 10 out of 10, okay, baby? All right, my Brit babe, so this is the final makeup look using this makeup kit set that I got from an Amazon vendor. It is pretty cool. It's travel size, very compact, so if you're going on vacation or going on a trip, this will definitely help you out. As far as not bringing your regular size brushes, they have so many to choose from, so you can do a full makeup look as you guys seen me do. So yeah, as y'all can see, it does soak up quite a bit of product, but that is pretty much the only thing that I have to say. They work really good. As y'all can see, I did a full face like I said before, and I haven't done my makeup in so long, and it actually made me feel very confident in, you know, my makeup look today. I feel like it came out pretty good, and hopefully you guys like it. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. If you guys are interested in checking this company out and picking up one of these travel size makeup brush kits, make sure that you go ahead and check the description box down below. I'll be sure to link it down there so you guys can check it out. So yes, you guys, I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure that you go ahead and thumbs it up so that I know that you guys like these type of videos, as well as go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Join the Brit Babe gang, and then also share this video with your family and friends. See you guys later.
No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours.